Hi guys, here's a quick review on these two, what year? 1998, Cha-Cha the Monkey plush. Now I think I did a review on this plush before, but might as well do it again. Anyways, as you can see, both of these are pretty much the same plush, but even though I just noticed the faces on them are different. That you notice, like this one's like more like, it's like more rounder. This one's like more. This face is like more narrower. Yes, so that's pretty cool. So here's the hang tag on this plush. Pretty nice. There is a little crease right there in the tag. Let me just go ahead and zoom in. Yes, there's a little crease right there on the tag, but I got these both, but I got these on eBay. I got these two off of eBay. So it depends what the condition of these two are. And I just noticed that the fur on this one, it feels kind of rough than this one. This one right here, this one feels like more smoother and stuff, which is pretty cool. Very awesome. And they are both, and I'll show them both like this. Pretty nice. Here they are on the back. Pretty nice and cool with their tails. There's the tails right there. Pretty nice little monkeys. Twin monkeys right there. Look at that. Pretty nice. I really love the color of this plush. I really love the color, which is given the mind of me, which, like I just said, I reviewed this plush before. So this means one of these plushes right here they're pretty much the same. So what I'm gonna do, guys, is that I'm gonna be reviewing one of each. So here's the review, Pretty nice. Very cool looking. Here's the tag. Here's the back of the tush tag. Here's the hang tag. The back of the hang tag. Here's the tush tag. Pretty nice. It says tie right there. The back says tie Inc. copyright 1998. And 1998 that's when they start using PE pellets for their tie plush. In cloth bag. Handmade in China, and the CE logo. Pretty nice. There's his tail right there. Very nice and cool. Here's his paws. Very awesome looking. Here he is like this, with his tail, and like this. Pretty nice. There's the eyes. It's plastic. Pretty nice. There's the face. Let's zoom into the material of the fur on this plush. The fur is like very, very beautiful on this plush. I mean, when you turn the plush like this, it like changes colors. Like, that's pretty cool. This one does the same. This one over here does it too, which, as you can see right there, the colors change right there. That's pretty cool. Very nice. And this one does say the same thing on the tag, just like the other one. Tie and copyright 1998. And right there it says PE pellets and in cloth bag. Made in China, and CE logo. So that's pretty nice. There's his paws right there. His feet are pretty nice. There's the stitching in the feet. Pretty nice on Cha-Cha, the monkey. Here he is up top. Then down to eye level. Here he is down to eye level. Pretty nice. Pretty cool looking monkey. And there he is like this. And like this, pretty nice. And like this, pretty awesome and cool. And like this, pretty nice. Cool looking monkey. There's the ears. Pretty nice. Let me set down the camera. Let me show you this tag. And guys, there we go. Guys, tag off, and it says this Cha-Cha the monkey right here. There's the back of the tag. Pretty nice. And I'm gonna do it to the other ones, just for fun. Why not? Let's open up the tag on the other one. Here we go. Pretty nice looking. This does say the same thing right there. There's the tag right here. Cha-Cha. And the back. There. Pretty nice. Alright, let me put the tags back onto these plush. And let me finish the review on these two. There they are like this. Here they are both down to eye level. Pretty nice. Pretty cool. They're very, very cool looking. Cha-Cha the monkey. Feels very soft. The fur just feels very soft and very smooth, very soft to the touch. Really like it. Here they both are down to the bottom with their tails out. Yeah, down to the bottom. Very nice. There's their tails again. And that's it. Alright guys, that's the quick reviews on these two 1998 TY Classic Cha-Cha the Monkey's Monkey plush toys. Alright guys, bye.